Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Well, I'm super excited because today I'm going to be sharing with you how I'm going to put together two Valentine displays in my kitchen. Now, I do find it hard incorporating reds and pinks into my home, so I do keep it pretty simple. Now, I did decorate my front porch for Valentine's Day, which I absolutely love decorating the front porch for the holiday seasons. So I'll link that down below. You don't want to miss that because it came out really cute. So I am going to do two displays in my kitchen. And then on Sunday, which I'm super excited about, I'm going to be doing a collaboration with a friend here on YouTube. Her channel is Home with Kelly P, and we're going to be decorating our coffee bars for Valentine's Day. So you don't want to miss that. You're going to get twice the ideas and inspiration for decorating for Valentine's Day. So let me share with you what I have to decorate for Valentine's for my kitchen. Well, as you can see, I have a few items behind me that I want to share with you guys how I'm going to decorate my kitchen with. Now, I said before that I was really having a hard time finding any kind of Valentine's decor. This frame was sitting in my trunk for months and months and months. I never used it. I never returned it. So I decided, you know what? I'll pick up one of those Dollar Tree gift bags, and all you have to do is cut it down to size to fit your frame. And here you go. You have a picture that you can use in one of your displays. So this is a really good idea. So I came up with this. And then over at this is Marshall's for $5.99. This is really cute. This is a hanger, but I'm not going to use it as a hanger. This is going to go really well with the picture with the little hearts coming out of the truck. It says special delivery, and it says fast and free. And then I also picked up these little marshmallows from TJ Maxx for $4.99. I'm going to use these in this little jar here. Now this is Ray Dunn. I've had this for a while. It says sweet, and I'm not sure the price of this, and of course it probably came from TJ Maxx or Marshall's. Well, the next item that I'm going to incorporate, I love making these mug toppers, and as you can see, I'm not sure if you can see on camera, but it's white and pink. Now, how you want to achieve that look is what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link down below on how to make mug toppers. But when you buy your spackling, it's like a whitish gray color. So all you need is some red acrylic paint, which will make pink. So what I did to get it to two colors is instead of stirring it and making it one solid color, just swirl it in there a little bit. And then when you go to squeeze this out and make your mug topper, it'll come out with white and pink. So I absolutely love this, and I'm gonna use it on my Ray Dunn mug. This one says hugs, and on the other side it says kisses. This one came from Marshall's for $5.99. And I also made another mug topper. This one is all pink. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use another mug that I have that says hugs and kisses, but I'm gonna turn it this way and have it say kisses on there. And then I did come across a canister. It says Be Mine. This came from TJ Maxx for $14.99. And I think I've had this for a couple days now, but I'm gonna be using this in my display. And then I picked up this, I think I've had this maybe since last year. This came from Target, it's over in the Target spot, and this was priced $5.99, so I'm gonna use this and put my canister on this little pink stand here. Now, what I did find over Home Goods, which I absolutely love this. I think this is so beautiful. It's a heart stand, and I think it said it was made in India. It has this beautiful wood on there. Now, I think because of the wood element, it just didn't fit in with my display using the red and the pinks, but I absolutely love this. And this was priced $12.99. Now, I was thinking about returning it, but you know what? Maybe next year I could really maybe try to use this, incorporate some more neutral colors in for Valentine's Day, but I absolutely think this is so cute. And then I have these little white stands. I have two of them. You can pick these up over at Hobby Lobby. Now, I don't have a price on these, but they're just a couple dollars. You can also, in their spring shop, they have them usually marked 40% off. You'll find them on sale. And then I found this over at TJ Maxx, this vase here. It is absolutely beautiful with all these pinks and burgundies and all these different colors swirled into this vase, because what I found over at TJ Maxx were these adorable picks. I said, you know what? These will go perfectly in that vase. These are so cute. I absolutely love these. Now, there are two of them here, and they're priced $5.99 each. So I'll be using this in my vase. And then I have some of these buffalo check little napkins that I'm going to put my displays on because I do have a buffalo check rug in my kitchen, and also I have some curtains. And then the last item I have is this pillow here. This came from Home Goods for $16.99. I absolutely love this. It's so cute. It says love always with the little hearts on there. And this is going to go in my family room on my chair. So let's decorate my kitchen for Valentine's Day. Well, I have this chalkboard sign that I'm going to be using on my counter right here in the corner, and I absolutely love having this because I love to change out the art on this and do little drawings on here for the holiday season. This one says Be My Valentine, and I'm going to place this right here in the corner like that.
You're my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you. Just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Well, I always have so much fun putting these little displays together, and I absolutely love the way this turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some decorating ideas and inspiration. And until next time, happy decorating!